Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go.
Hey guys, what is up? It's Teddy here, and today I'll show you guys a few transitions you can do with jump over footwork. But before I start, like always, make sure you hit the subscribe button and also turn on the notification icon, so whenever there's a new video coming out from this channel, you'll be the first one to get notified. Alright, now without any further ado, let's start the tutorial. In case you don't know, this is how jump over looks like. Okay, right leg straight, right hand on the ground. My left leg is going to jump over into the other side. Alright. Now from there we're going to do a few transitions with this move. Now the very first one is, we call it the jump over to hook. Okay, so jump over to front hook. Again, starting from the same positions. Right leg straight, right on the ground. Jump over. Alright, after the jump over, your straightened leg, which is my right leg, is gonna go behind and I'm gonna hook. After this, the next step is gonna do the other way. So I'm gonna open up my right leg again, switch. Now my left leg is straight. I'm also gonna switch from right hand to left hand, and now I'm gonna do another jump over. So my right leg is gonna go to the other side. Alright, and then my left leg hook. Open up again, switch, hook, switch, hook. Now the second transition is very similar. Instead we're gonna do the hook from the front, we're gonna do the hook from the back. So we're gonna call this the jump over back hook. Starting from the same positions, jump over. Alright, you can see my straight leg here is not going to the front like the first one. Instead, I'm going to put it on the ground. I'm going to turn my body around. Now my left leg is going to hook to my right leg. Alright, switch. Left leg, open up, keep it straight. Jump over. Put my left leg down. Turn. Right leg is going to hook to my left leg. Again. Again, again, again. So for the next one, it's called jump over and thread. For this one, it doesn't necessarily do both ways. So usually I do this one way and I'm going to continue to other move. This is how it looks. Jump. When I jump, I make sure that my butt is high, okay? The first two, we can keep it low because we're going to continue to footwork. But for this one, we want to keep it high so it's easier for you to grab your foot. Alright? Thread. Okay, you can see I'm threading by grabbing my right foot with my left hand. Keep my right leg straight. Okay, from here basically you can do whatever you want. You can continue to footwork, or you can continue to any other things like freeze if you want. So that's based on your creativity, alright? So just make sure after doing the thread, think about it, where you want to go, where you want to continue, and then do it. Now the next one is called jump over and knee drop, okay? For this one, same thing. After the knee drop, you can continue to anything you want. For my case, I'm going to continue to baby freeze. So here we go. Jump over, knee, turn, chair or baby. That's it for the jump over transitions. I just showed you guys 4. Now it's your turn to branch it out, use your creativity and make it more. Alright, that's about it. Subscribe, like this video, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys on the next one.
Start saying, turn them to a game. Take the best, start saying, put them on display. On repeat in your brain till you're feeling no more pain. Never slow yourself down, you can do some more.